everyone, this is Disney Toy Productions speaking, and welcome back to another video. Now, today I am unboxing a Kinder Joy egg. Now, have you ever heard of a Kinder Surprise egg? This is similar to it, because it's also made from Kinder, but it's not a Kinder Surprise egg. Who knows? Maybe one day I'll get a Kinder Surprise egg and I'll unbox it on camera. Anyways, let's open this. Oh, and by the way, it comes with a toy plus a treat. So let's open this baby. Okay, this might take a while, so I'll pause the camera. Okay, that took like 5 minutes, but I finally got it open. Now, this one is where the tree is. I'll try this. That's good. Good. Now, open the toy. And I'm gonna close my eyes. And the toy is... Oh, look! This is cool. Okay, I think you're supposed to, like, put it in there. I don't know. Oh, I think you're supposed to put that in there. Then you put the toy in there. Yeah. That looks cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, that's it for this unboxing video for the Kinder Joy. Hope you enjoyed it, and more videos coming soon. Bye.